The Podcast's Empire, podcast mastery for women in business.
I'm going to show you a Canva hack that will blow your mind. If you want to create a transparent logo or graphic and upload it to your repurposed content or other graphics that you're creating on Canva or elsewhere, this tutorial is for you. I've gone ahead in Canva, and if you'd like to join Canva, check out the show notes below. There is a link to get started. I've created 2 logos here, and I've done them in my brand colors, and I label the file logo transparent. Go up to the top right-hand side and click share. You want to have this as a download and as a PNG. You'll see 2 settings here. One is transparent background. We're going to select that and we're going to download. When that downloads, it'll download in a transparent background, and then you can upload it to any other graphics that you want to. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials that's going to help women in business repurpose their content to be omnipresent across all the social media channels.
The Podcast's Empire, podcast mastery for women in business.